Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to refund your money on Clearpay. So basically what you're going to have to do, as you can see here on their official website, they say that first the merchant has to process the refund in their system. The refund will then drop to reflect on your Clearpay account, and if you're owed a refund back to your card, it will be returned to the card that was used to make the payment. So basically you're gonna have to contact the merchant. So you're gonna have to contact them and say that you want a refund, and basically they are gonna they're gonna be the ones that they're gonna refund you, so not Clearpay. So this is the only way. And after they approve the refund, so if you're eligible for the refund, it's going to take up to 10 business days to be returned to your cards, depending on your financial institution. So basically, make sure to contact the merchant, and then you're going to be able to get your money back if you're eligible. So, I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.